yard water drainage in Oakland County and Macomb County, Michigan. Landscape is one of the reasons that our yards don't drain the way they should. The yard was designed for the water to run to the swale. When the trees were planted and bermed, that impedes the water's ability to find its way into the swale and make it to the storm drain catch basin. What we do is we basically dig a really deep channel and remove all that soil. We fill that full of stone. The idea is to pick up the water and take it around the landscape. This works really well. Now, somebody made an attempt where they ran a pipe. This is just going to take care of surface water. They didn't put much stone around it. It failed. There's standing water here. So we basically tapped through 12 inches of concrete. We're going to lower the water table as well. For all your yard water drainage solutions in Oakland County and Macomb County, Michigan, give us a call.